to my channel. It's been a few months since I made a video, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking a lot of questions, and today I decided to make this video to answer some of those questions. But first of all, I want to say thank you to all of those subscribers. We are 500 subscribers already, so thank you so much, and let's keep going. So I have a few questions that I wanted to answer on this video, and let's see, I write them down because there were a few. Okay, and the first question, she asked, okay, I guess I can say her name, see if I can pronounce this right. Her name is Chase, and she commented and she said, "Hi Luz, can you please make a video on how to remove couch marks from the walls?" So I don't think I have ever cleaned something like that, but I know I've seen it. And let's see, I think you can use a magic eraser, a wet, I guess just get it wet a little bit and then try and see if that mark comes off. Also use a wet towel and then wipe it off first and then use the eraser. I have to do more research on that because I never cleaned something like that, but I think that should work. And if not, then probably that would be just a damage in the paint or wall and you won't be able to get it off. But try that and see how that works for you. Okay, thank you so much for your question. And let's see, the second question, let's see, so it comes from Sparkle. How I'm sorry. Okay, so let's try this again. Her name is, or her username in YouTube, it's Sparkle How, and she asked, where did you order company shirts from? So those pink shirts that I've been using, we order those with a local shop, I guess a local small business here in Utah, and they do the design. I give them the logo and then they do the design on the shirt, and they're so cute. I love them. So yeah, it's a local shop here in Utah. And let's see, someone else right here asked, so Olivares Juarez, he or she asked, she asked in Spanish, and he said, hi, where did you, I guess, where did you live, or what state are you in? He said, because 250, it's a lot of money. In Seattle, nobody wants to pay even 200. So what he's asking is that wherever he lives in Seattle, either he has a company, and he said for a deep cleaning, I guess nobody wants to pay 250. And I guess this question came from a video that I did. It was a deep cleaning. I was deep cleaning an apartment, and somebody asked how much I charge. So I said, okay, so we did about 6 hours, 6 hours, 2 people, so 3 each. And he asked, how much do you charge? So in this particular time, I charge, I think it was 250. and it was a deep cleaning. I remember the apartment wasn't too bad, but when the apartments or houses are really bad and it's a deep cleaning, I normally charge more. But he is saying that in Seattle, they don't want to pay that much. And I know we charge different from other states because it's all different. So you're not gonna charge what I charge in Utah if you're in California. And so yeah, I have the same problem. A lot of people want pretty much a cleaning for free, and it's just hard because deep cleanings are really hard, especially if the house or the apartment is really dirty. So all right, well, thank you so much for your question. And let's see the next question. His name is Marvin Rivera, and he comment, I love your video. I do cleaning houses by myself. Can you give some tips on how to grow the business? Oh, nice. I started by myself too, a long time ago, and yeah, nice. Congratulations, and keep going. So to grow your business, so I can just give you a few ideas right now, but I can make a video with more details on things that I have done and have helped my business grow. So I think you should, I don't know if you have a business with license and everything, or it's just you, but it doesn't matter. I guess I started like that. So I would do a Facebook page, a business Facebook page, and just start posting every day what you do, if you have any specials, also do some stories, and have your friends and family share with other people or on their profile, and that will start getting other people to know your business. So but I'll do a video on that, and I can give you more information. So thank you so much for asking, and I will make this video soon so you can start growing your business. I have another person that asked, I guess her name is Jelling Gato, and she says, hi Luz, love the video, very helpful. I recently started a small cleaning company here in Florida. I'm still learning about the different types of cleanings. I mostly do vacational rentals and residential. I was wondering if you have experience in doing cleaning for realtors. If you do, what type of cleaning do they normally request? I'm just trying to have an idea of what to expect. Thank you again for the great videos. Oh, thank you, Jelena. That's a great question. I do. I work with a few realtors, and you would normally do. They normally hire you for move-outs, move-ins. I have a really close friend that I work with, and she's always asking for a move-out cleaning, which is when they're gonna sell the house, and we need to get that house ready for the new people that bought the house. So I think move-ins, move-outs. My friend is so nice that she's always like, if somebody else cleaned the house already, like another company, whoever sold the house, they clean it up and it's really clean. But my friend, to make her customers feel much better, she hired me to do like a gift cleaning. So we go and re-clean the house for this new client to move into their house. But the house is like really clean because it has been cleaned already. But she does it as a gift for them, so it's really nice. But yeah, I don't do much of those anymore because a lot of them are really dirty and it takes a lot of time, but they pay really good. So I hope this help, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I will try my best and answer. Oh, I also have a checklist on what's included on that type of cleaning, because you pretty much do the entire house, like from walls, baseboards, blinds, and on and on and on. So yeah, I have a checklist. Let me know if you want to get a copy, because I am more than happy to send you or email you my checklist so you have an idea of what to do. So thank you. And let's see, there's somebody else. Her or their name, the name that they're using is Coco the Lovely. And they ask, or they comment, awesome job. What products do you recommend for deep cleaning? Oof. I think I should make a video and show you guys my bags and the things that I use when I go and do a deep cleaning, and then I guess the tools that have made my life easy for those deep cleanings. So how about I'll make a small video for that, and then I'll show you guys all the products that that I use for the deep cleanings, and also for the residential I can show you guys what I use. All right, and there's 2 more questions, and let's see. The next one, Chris Martinez asked, or he comment, great video. We own a cleaning business as well and always looking for tips to be more efficient and productive. Also, do you have a list of products you use? I noticed you use something resembling a hacks to clean the stove and bathtub. Okay, so that's another person asking for the type of products that I use. So I will do a video with and show you guys all the products that I use. So, and then the last one, 444 ask, did you know how to retrieve something that fell deep in the vents? All right, so this question came from my video when there's a video when I was cleaning my little vents with my vacuum, and I was cleaning just the top because the tube of my vacuum is like this small, so whatever I could take from that, I would vacuum it and clean it. But he is asking if we can get something back from the vents. I don't know. I mean, it depends what it is. I mean, if it's I don't know, an earring, ring, it depends what it is. But I'm pretty sure you can't. What I would do is stick my phone in the vent, like get your hand in there and try and turn on the flashlight and take a picture and see where it is, how far it is. And I will probably use I don't know, a long metal that it's like that you can manage, a cable. I don't know I don't know, or you might have to, if that's something that you really want to get back. I would just hire somebody, or hire the people that clean vents. They have these big vacuums, and with long sticks, and they stick it in there. So, and obviously they get everything out. So they might be able to get that for you. So I'm sorry I can't help. But yeah. And those are all the questions. I really appreciate the love that you guys show to my channel. I am so happy to come back. I will start making more videos for you guys, more cleaning videos. And I hope I can make at least 1 or 2 videos a month. The thing is, I've been so busy with my business right now, and I also have my little kids, so it's just kind of hard, but I will try and make all these videos for this month, and then we go from there. So I hope I answer all of your questions. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I will see you guys soon, because I'll be making videos, and probably, how about I'll show you guys some of the cleanings that I do, the residential cleanings. I'll have to ask my my clients, but I know they'll be more than happy to let me make a video while I am cleaning, so you guys kind of know how, for those people, for those that don't know. Sorry, my kids woke up, so but yeah, I'll try and make videos and be more in touch with you guys. So thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great day or great night, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.